We all know that humidity gives you extra weight, and that's just water weight. And they're an aesthetic clinic that's going to help you get that body ready. But I'm lying, you know it's not going to happen overnight. But let's take a look at this.
Actually, a lot of our products and our procedures are not available elsewhere in East and Central Africa, and in some of them we are very few in Africa who do those procedures. And among those are now the body barbital and other body contouring treatments that are now FDA approved, and they're the best in terms of technology worldwide.
I love what you said about the body contouring as well, because I'm sure a lot of ladies when they're coming here, they're all summer ready. So is there any magic that can happen?
So the thing I always tell my patients and my clients, we don't offer magic, we offer science. So yes, we help, and it is scientifically proven. And the thing about body contouring is, we know the most important thing is eat healthy, live a healthy lifestyle, exercise and all that. But there are some parts of your body, however much you do that, because of genetics and hormones, I'm sure, you know, as a woman, there's some places that will not get rid of that fat without external help. So that we incorporate that, and we do body contouring for that to aid your healthy lifestyle. Yeah.
When you talk about body contouring, how many sessions do you need to go for?
So the thing is, what we offer, the body barbital, it's actually a combination of 4 different machines. That's the ultimate. So you can combine, you can use one of those machines, the Vanquish Me, the Exilis Ultra, and the X-Wave and the LymphoStim. So you can do one or several, or if you do everything, that's called body barbital. So for most of them, you need 4 to 6 sessions for every week. But the effects will continue to be visible, and the maximal effects, you'll see them 3 to 6 months after. You'll still be getting results increasing and increasing even after stopping your
you've talked about all these machines. What do they do to the body?
The main one, the Vanquish Me, is actually the only body contouring treatment in the world where there is no limit for BMI. The other machines, you cannot pass a certain BMI, you cannot use them. So the Vanquish Me does not have contact, and it covers the whole area of the trunk. If it covers your stomach, it covers the stomach and the sides. If it's your thighs, the whole area, which again technologically has not been possible before. So for that, it uses radio frequency, and then it burns the fat inside the fat cells, and it also kills the fat cells. Then your body lets that, gets rid of it. For the Exilis, it's a combination of that and ultrasound. So it's double effect, and it does the same thing. It kills the fat and kills the fat cells. But also the thing about the Exilis is that it also increases blood circulation. It makes the collagen and the elastin get activated. So not only does it do the fat loss, but it does skin tightening as well, which is very, very important.
I was going to ask you about that. Obviously now when you assume that after the machine your fat is just going to drop.
No, so the fat, that's why it's important to have something that does the fat and the skin tightening. And if you add the X-Wave and the LymphoStim, it also caters for other things like stretch marks, cellulite, and things like that, the body swelling. So it's a whole package that deals with so many issues, not just the fat.
Dr. Salome, you've talked about swelling, and one of the machines that you're using actually decrease the swelling, and that's a big thing, because when you're in Mombasa you find that your body is just swelling up a lot.
Yes, sometimes you have swelling because, let's say, you've traveled for long, or you're having hormonal issues, or even you've had surgery, or different reasons, both medically and just day to day. So the LymphoStim does help with that. The different settings for it, so it can be used even generally just because of traveling and hormones and all that, and also the different settings for people who have medical reasons why they're swelling, and we actually treat that as well as part of their other medical therapy.
Great, so I like that. So the machine that you're saying helps to tone your body has got all those different treatments in it, right?
Yes, the 4 machines, there are different aspects in the 4 machines, but in totality, they're excellent in terms of toning, in terms of the fat loss, and the quality of the skin. Because I'm sure you know, as a lady, if you lose the fat without taking care of the skin, now you'll have another issue. Now I have loose skin, now my skin is more wrinkled.
You don't want that.
So it takes care of everything at once.
There's definitely no miracle for the machines to help you if you don't also incorporate some sort of food plan. Do you do that?
Yes, so in combination with the body contouring treatments, we do offer a booklet and a guidance for our patients for nutrition and general advice on exercise and healthy living, so that you get the best results and you also get a very healthy body and excellent healthy skin.
Yeah, because you know, as women, we are so good at trying out new machines.
We want this to work, so
yeah,
you have to do everything for it to work.
Yes. Good. So ladies, you heard it, there's no secret. You still have to incorporate the healthy side as well.
So what we are going to do now is the Exilis Ultra for the face and the neck. It helps with stimulating, again, collagen and elastin, which helps in the tightening of the skin, the glowing, the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. And I'm sure you know that people do a lot of things for their face, but the one thing that will show your real age is your neck, your hands, things that, and there's not a lot of technology for the neck. Although we do offer the things like thread lifting and a combination of fillers and Botox, but this is non-invasive and it's excellent and works for the face and the neck as well. So there are very different things that you can do top to bottom for your body.
It's nice and warm. Yeah, I know. Yeah, she's just jump starting slowly.
Yeah. So it's good. You get both the skin treatment and it's like a free massage also.
Yeah, it is. For those who are ticklish,
yes,
you'll be laughing away. Yeah. So once you've heated it up, right? Do you then cool the skin, or what do you do after?
For the the machine itself has an inbuilt cooling device, but that's more for the body, for the body contouring the fat. For the face, we usually do not have an inbuilt cooling device because what we want is a skin. So we actually do not want that.
Okay.
But if you're very hot, like for the body contouring, if you want, you can get that cooling, but that heat is actually what we need.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So it's therapeutic.
I can definitely feel that it's stretching the skin out. It's a nice feeling. I don't think it's uncomfortable for anyone to do. Yeah.
And for the first like 24 to 48 hours, you might feel that tightening. Yeah, it's temporary, but you can actually feel part of what, a more dramatic effect of what is gradually happening under the skin. You'll feel the tightening as well.
Doctor, how many Doctor, how many sessions do you need?
4 to 6 sessions every week.
Oh.
Yeah, 4 to 6 sessions for every week, but again, the effects will keep being seen for 3 to 6 months after.
Okay. No, you definitely feel the heat for sure, but it's not an uncomfortable heat. As she said, as we're communicating, I can definitely tell her that, apple.